are we doing today?
The videos you see here today and the attempts that we do, please, you could do it at home if you want to try. I don't care. Ask this guy.
Yeah. Alright, Debbie, you ready to go do wheelies?
The crew is here. I must ride. Snapchat update. Always go. Hey buddy, what are we doing today?
Full maintenance on Debbie.
Are we?
Yeah.
On that bike right there?
Yeah, on that bike right there.
Oh, fuck yeah, bud.
Yeah.
Lots of stuff.
Lots.
She's an old gal. She needs that tuning up at jizz. Charlie, whose garage is this?
CJ's.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Sorry. JC's. My bad.
What? It says Fat Cat's Garage out on that door.
We good?
Nice way to start video.
Dude, I had to clear my throat before I get into this. Okay, so I got a new bike.
Well, got it out of the shop finally.
Well,
3 months later.
all right, fourth season, new bike. Huh. Okay. Is that? Oh, there it is. Okay, so this is a 1995 Kawajunkie. It's a ZX 9 Aura. Haven't even put my stickers on or nothing yet. So
Ring is downstairs.
yeah, the blinkers do not work at the moment. Let's go for a ride.
Many months later.
The crew's here. We're trading the Cowie to these guys for a little Cowie, for a miniature Cowie. So 140 horsepower for an 8 horsepower. Do a wheelie.
You won't do a wheelie.
They won't?
Barely.
No.
It needs to be like
Alright, want to run around real quick? Weird feeling. Just take it home, bro. It's a weird feeling, though.
So what do you think? Yeah, that's what I thought. So anyways.
How do you want to pull in truck you on?
Very scary to wheelie.
It is a little scary.
Yeah, it's just such a small wheelbase.
Yeah, it is. I'll watch through your camera. No, I'm kidding. Papa Willie's on a Wednesday. What do you want? Are you meowing at me? You meowing at me? All right, put it up.
Drop top.
All right, it's Jerry's turn. Let's
Drop top.
see what he can do.
Well, bro, I'm not even recording yet. Oh, yeah, that's pretty good. Thank you for the new markings we have in our streets here.
Dude, look at how long a rolling burnout he did.
No, he didn't do that.
Yeah, he did.
Oh, he did?
That's him.
Fuck yeah, bro. I don't know what he's doing. Oh, god damn. That almost, dude, I felt that in my dick. All right. I felt it in my chest, my balls. my dick went wee. That was like actually kind of scary.
Yeah, his bike comes up stupid.
Ah, damn, boy. Oh, this is beautiful design. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh, dude, oh my God, that rust right there. Oh, dude, I bet that motherfucker gives like 5 horsepower. I'm a dog bark. Oh, dude, that's so fucking fat. Dude, that hose barely on there. Oh, dude, that is hot as shit, dude. Bet you that makes that fucker cooler than it's supposed to be. Hell yeah. I love you. Oh, God, yeah, I love you too, bruh. Huh, okay. Has that been laid down? Oh, no, that looks sharp. Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah. Hey, wait, didn't I do this job? If I'm right, I think I did that job. Oh, fucking scrapity scrape. Okay.
We're getting on the freeway with a little bug out motorcycle. Let's see what it does. Like, hell yeah, bros. Let's see what it does. So I got minimum 45 on a freeway. And we're doing 50. I have no mirrors. That sucks. But that's okay. I got this. Ooh, 52. Look at me. No, you're good, asshole. And there's another car. Okay. Well, that's fine. 52 and steady. Huh? Oh, we can get over now. Sweet. 54. Whoa. 50. What? On my fat ass? Oh, shit. 60? Come on. Oh, there it is. She is revving out. Oh, I hit 61. Wow. I'm pretty heavy. I'm on I-70 in Missouri right now, and this is awesome. There is someone behind me, but you know, I'm steadily dropping, and that's okay. Hell yeah. Let's get off here.
Okay, so what are you trying to do, buddy?
I've seen this video on Facebook, YouTube. I want
Yeah.
to try it. Starting fluid in a tire, make it go boom onto the beat.
Okay, boom. Cool, bro. Cool story.
Well, I woke up to go
That
get me a
does
cold
not
pop.
work.
And then I thought somebody was barbecuing.
It is definitely on
I said,
fire,
oh,
bro,
Lord
man.
Jesus, it's a fire. Then I ran out. I didn't grab no shoes or nothing, Jesus. I ran for my life. And then the smoke got me. I got bronchitis. Ain't nobody got time for that.
Yeah, the ice cream man. The ice cream man. The ice cream man. Whoa! What the fuck is that? That looks cool as shit. Maybe I should let him get up next to me. Hold the fuck up. So it looks like a big body Caprice, a Pontiac rear end. What the fuck?
He's put a kid on it.
Cool.
Bye!
Bye.
Yay!
Hell yeah.
Woo!
This is an awesome day. So, Ma, what we're gonna do today?
I have to go to work.
I'm gonna fucking party. Fucking yeah! It's all your problem now. You take them. They're your responsibility. I'm gonna do the fuck I'm gonna do today. Oh yeah! Well, damn cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Did you enjoy the video? Hit the like button. Have you subscribed? Hit this thing right here. You like these crazy guys? Cool. They may be in one of my old videos or my next video, so definitely subscribe. Have you tried this video? Have you tried this video? Well, damn, you should watch them. Fat Cat's Garage.
CJ's.